How to store your solar powered holiday lights, decorative lights after the holiday season. So these lights are reusable. So you can have them for years. And in order for you to have them for years, you must store them properly to avoid corrosion in the solar panel box here. So there's a battery in there, and we all know when you put down battery for long, it will be damaged. So to avoid that, you store it in a cool, dry place. Ensure that you clean up your solar panel after you remove them from your garden. Ensure that they are dry properly and store them inside somewhere that is cool, not too hot. And occasionally, maybe every 4 months, you can take them out to recharge them just to ensure that there's no moist being developed within the power box here, because if moist is being developed in there, it can damage the wires, the circuit board, or the battery, and it will not work anymore. So please recharge your batteries every 4 months. Thank you.